In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocuSign and send it to someone else. We'll go through the full process from logging in, to adding your signature, to sending the completed document. This is a useful workflow if you need to sign first before forwarding the document to another recipient. Start by opening the DocuSign website and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Start or Send an Envelope. This is where you begin preparing a document for signatures. Next, upload the document you want to sign. This could be a PDF, contract, form, or another supported file type. After the document uploads, enter the recipient's name and email address so DocuSign knows who should receive the signed document after you complete your part. Then, select Next to open the document editor. This is the workspace where you place signature and form fields onto the file. Add a signature field to the document and make sure it is positioned exactly where your signature is required. After that, assign the signature field to yourself. This is important because only the assigned signer can complete that field. If the document requires anything else before it's sent, such as a date, initials or text fields, go ahead and add those as well. Once everything is placed correctly, select Continue to begin signing. Now choose the signature field that was assigned to you. DocuSign will prompt you to create or select your electronic signature. If you've already saved one, you can use it again. If not, you can quickly create a new one by typing, drawing, or uploading your signature, depending on the available options. Place your signature in the required location, then complete any other fields assigned to you. Take a moment to review the document carefully and verify that your signature is correctly placed and that all required fields have been filled in accurately. This quick check can help prevent errors before the document is sent. When you're ready, select Finish, or continue to the sending screen if prompted. From there, review the recipient and document details one more time to confirm everything is correct. Pay close attention to the recipient information and make sure the right document is attached. Finally, select Send to send the signed document. After sending, verify that the document has been sent successfully. You should see a confirmation message or status update inside DocuSign. That's it. You've signed your document and sent it through DocuSign successfully. Thanks for watching.